Hi, I'm Måns from BuildingPoint Scandinavia. I'm going to talk to you today about Tekla Cut Optimizer. Have you ever struggled with these long lists of different lengths that you will try to combine on the lengths that you have in stock or that you can purchase? So we designed this tool that connects to Tekla, get the beam lengths from the model directly, no need to export anything first. And then you can put in and customize the length that you have available. And if you want, you can customize it even further by adding some defaults for the profile types and then special per dimension. I'm going to show you a short demo on how to do it live. So here I have my Tekla model, and if I get a report, you can see this long list, many different lengths. How am I going to combine it? So I start up my Tekla Cut Optimizer. The first thing I do is get the data from the model. Here is everything that I have available, and as I select it in the list, it of course highlights in the model. And you can see the amount, the minimum length, the maximum length, and then what I have input, what's available to cut from the stock material. I can do filtering. Either I can deselect stuff, select all, select none, filter this way, or I can filter the whole list by typing in, for example, HE as in HEB. I can also include RH as in RHS, and then filter on names. To get the full list back, I click Get from Model again. Then I have some different settings. I can choose to turn off min and max lengths. I can choose to use stock lengths from settings. Then I have a dialog, stock form. Here I can input the different lengths per profile type. And as I said before, if I need to customize it further, I can tick this box. Then it will use data what I have put in a file before. So I have default lengths for the different profile types, and then I've customized a little bit per some dimensions. Click Save. The program tells me I need to get from model again, so I do that. And here you can see the list. For example, this L120 is only available in 12-meter lengths. So there's 0 on stock 2 and 3. If I need, I can filter on lengths. You see this one. I most certainly don't have 22 meter in stock. So I can choose to put in options. The min length is 0 and the max is 18 meters. In this I can also put in the default clamp lengths, which I need in the saw to hold when sawing, and also the width of the saw. I click Save, close this dialog, and then I activate Use Length Filter. Again, I need to refresh my data. And then you see the 22 meter piece is no longer in the list. When I'm happy with all my settings, I go to this, click Optimize. The program creates a report in Excel format. I choose to open it. It presents me with a purchasing requisition, which lists the different stock lengths I need and how many of each. And on the other tab, I have a kind of cutting list. It says from this HEB 180, 15 meters long, I will cut these, one of each, and it will leave me 1.2% in waste. And that is what the program tries to do. Combine to get as little waste as possible. Are there any limitations in this program? Yes, there are. We've chosen only to calculate on the straight cuts. That means no angular cuts. We only have 3 different stock lengths that you can put in, but you can, as I showed you, when filtering on lengths, you can choose to take these lengths first, change stock lengths, and then take the longer lengths. So you can customize it if you need to buy longer from your stock. How do I get hold of this? Just go to Tekla Warehouse and you can download it. If you have any questions, any suggestions for improvements or so on, just email us. You find the email address on Warehouse too. Thank you for watching.